The trial between John Thomas Scopes and his state of Tennessee is just getting underway. John Thomas Scopes is represented by his head lawyer, Clarence Darrow, and the ACLU, but its representative is Dudley Mahone. And the prosecution, led by head lawyer William Jennings Bryan and also Tom Stewart. I'm just receiving word that the Bible and evolution supporters are selling monkeys, and the Bible supporters are selling Bibles. It's nuts. What's the madness going on here?
That's what the guys told me. The one guy said one guy was...
So what did Mr. Scopes enlighten you with in his classroom?
He taught us how man and other mammals had evolved from one-celled organisms.
Well, did he teach you anything else that was wicked?
No!
He is irrelevant to the matter.
I say, let him speak.
All life came through a common ancestor through time. Man does not come from American monkeys, but it comes from Old World monkeys. Your interpretation is that of an ignorant man.
The testimony is incredible.
Why should you override our suggestions that are competent while you fail to ignore the ones that are wasteful, such as the prosecutions?
I hope you don't mean what you are saying.
I think you should keep hoping that I didn't.
I charge you with a contempt of the court.
I'm sorry. I demand that sign that says read your Bible goes down. Or you can match it by having a sign that says read your evolution.
Sign will go down.
I call William Jennings Bryan to the stand. You have given considerable study to the Bible, haven't you, Mr. Bryan?
Yes, I have, since I have studied it for the last 50 years.
What's your thoughts about a whale swallowing Jonah, Joshua making the sun stand still, Noah and the great flood, the temptation of Adam in the Garden of Eden, and the creation, according to Genesis?
Everything should be taken as the way it is. No, I mean everything should not be taken literally. I messed up my thought process because my impression was that they were time periods.
About time you made up your mind.
Stop slurring the Bible and manipulating the court! This is all evidence to be discarded from the record, since both of you with your slugfest are getting nowhere in this establishment to end the case. How do you find Mr. Scopes? Mr. Scopes, you owe the state of Tennessee $100 because I found you guilty.
I have been convicted of an unjust law. Can you reconsider?
My decision is final, and this case is over because I said so.